How's it going? Today is a pretty good day. I got a lot of tools in, but this video is just going to be about these. The Mountain 5-piece metric double box universal spline ratcheting wrench set. That's a mouthful. Alright, you probably have heard of these. Everybody in the world has them, but I didn't. Let's look at the box. This is how it came. Shows all the different fasteners it'll work on. Just missing 9 and 11, which is the only bad thing. There's the part number, MTN RM6, and most important, made in Taiwan. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about these, but I've also heard a lot of bad things. But the warranty is 30 days, which sucks, but I'm not an actual mechanic, so this should work out. I was waiting to open them. Video. By the way, these were $126 on Amazon. There were several different options I was trying to choose from, but these are really about the best priced. Considered the Tecton, the gear wrench ones. There's even some monster ones that are the same thing. Icons are $200. The gear wrench probably had the best design, but not price wise. Part number, Mountain. Now these do not lock. I do have a reverse switch. This is the 16-18. Let's see how long they are. The biggest one, wow, pretty big. These will not fit in all toolboxes, at least the smaller ones. About 18 inches for the 17-19, and for the smallest one, which is a 8-10. I gotta get some better lighting in here. This is really bright, but it doesn't work good for videos. A little over 12 inches, or right at 12. Yeah, so really excited about these. Thought they were going to take a lot longer to get here, but they shouldn't break as much as I'll use them. As you already know, they got this offset, which can help out in some situations. But you can also use the other side. Their spline drive, which is pretty much one of the reasons people don't like them, but as long as you're not going crazy on a bolt, they should work out. Yeah, that's all I got for you. So, if y'all are wanting an extra long set of double box wrenches, this ain't a bad choice. This is 126. The Tecton's about 130, but you get the 10% back, so it's about the same price, and they're 6-point. The gear wrench are closer to 2, on ups to 3. The monster ones are about 150. Icons 200. So you decide. Thanks and subscribe.